Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be looking at your energies starting from 22nd till 28th of November 2021. In this video, I'll be looking at your overall energies, your past, present, future, your person's energies, your energies in relation with your heart and your mind. Okay, so let's see what's there for you. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Let's see what's there for my Libras. Libras energy 2021, 22nd till 28th November. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. So you can DM me over there if you want. Okay. 22nd till 28th November, Libras 2021, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus sign, Libras. At the back of the deck, we have the Three of Pentacles. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you are working on some situations in life. You could be really doing some homework or like some kind of work which involves money, which involves some relationship building, some partnerships building. Okay, so you are, for some of you, you might be buying a house or you might be reconstructing your house, renovation, I feel. Because there's something new, so all of a sudden this is a whole new energy. You are shifting, you are relocating and something like that. Okay, in terms of house, in terms of something but big, stable thing. Okay, so that is house. Okay, for some of you. Okay, for some of you it's more like an energy where you're trying to build things around you, where you are working on a relationship, you are working on a situation in life, you want to keep on working it, you want to take it to a next level. Okay, you want to make it towards something permanent in life. Things you need to understand is the world energy. You need to understand that there are some lessons which need to be learned before you move ahead in your life, because there could be something you can be missing. Okay, what's the problem of the situation is the death energy. It's telling us that there is something which is ending, which is coming towards an end and you are not able to see it, or something has already been ended somewhere in regards with a person over here. Your person might be not in a feeling of getting committed towards you, but you are committed towards your person at present. It could be vice versa, so just to take as it resonates. But yeah, there is an ending which is a beautiful ending, but might be you are taking it as a bad ending, because I see both the cards, with one is the death and one is the world, and both are ending energies. But with the world, it's coming towards a cycle, coming towards a completion, and with the death energy, it's like a final ending. Okay, so we are going to clarify what exactly this is. In your heart, we have the Fool energy. You are moving towards definitely something new in life, might be entering into a relationship, because from heart, from your inside, you really want to enter into this new thing. You are really happy for it and you just want to take risks, whatever it involves. It doesn't matter to you. In the past, we have the Empress energy. This could be a person, this could be a mother, it could be a lady in the past, a person who is very caring, nurturing. It tells us growth. So there was growth in a relationship, there was growth in pentacles in your work, but you might be feeling somewhere that your growth has been ending or is coming towards a pause, or coming towards an end. You are feeling that, like that. For some of you, there's growth which has come towards a completion. When we are here and we want to achieve this place. So we are moving one step at a time, but we complete this cycle, we reach a zenith point. So you might be feeling that you have attained a level in a relationship or in a job, and this is where you are, now where should I go, now what should I do? So you are at that exhaustion period, I feel. In your mind you have the Four of Swords. Your mind is telling you that take a rest for some time. You have completed a very beautiful time, or completed a very beautiful cycle of your life. If this cycle didn't end well, it doesn't matter, it needed to end. Okay, so just before starting for something new, you should take some rest. This is what your mind is telling you to do. Coming future, we have the Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles tells us about patience, calmness, and the growth which you are waiting for is coming towards a completion. But this growth is a little slow growth, but slow growth is also growth. Okay, so it doesn't mean like you will never achieve that place, or because you have already achieved that. The more you're wanting to achieve, if you want to go to something more positive or more stable, so you have to work hard for that. Okay, more hard energies are required. Actually I feel that you are already putting a lot of effort into this situation, but a little more is required. We are going to clarify this. Okay, the Seven of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles energy in your actions. You are, see, this is you. Okay, Libras, this is a Capricorn energy, but you are behaving like a person, like a, I am more focused in my money right now. I'm more focused. You're focused into one thing because you want stability in life. So you are focused into something and you are wanting to learn something from that. You are wanting to earn growth in this thing. Whatever this thing is, you are definitely putting a lot of efforts, a lot of energies into this thing. Person opposite to you, people around you are, see, okay, so we have the Page of Swords. So people are stalking you, people are stalking your growth. People, we call it evil eye as well. So people have an evil eye on you because of your growth. People, we in Hindi we call it nazar. So this is something which is really making some of your difficulties, which you are getting, some, the problem that you are getting in your life. It is definitely that thing. I feel somewhere that you are showing too much to the world, or if not, also people are able to see your growth. People are able to see where you were and how you have achieved this journey or this position, but they do not have seen your journey. Sorry, I was wrong before. I was saying attained a position, but they haven't seen your journey, how many struggles you have gone through to attain that position in life. So yeah, people are jealous, people are stalking you. The message from the universe is the Four of Cups. It's just an opportunity. Like if you are anywhere, if you're feeling that if you are missing any opportunity due to some health issues or due to any other issues in life, do not miss that opportunity. Universe will be giving you more and more opportunities. Try to just figure out, try to take hints from the universe to find what exactly matters to you. The outcome of the situation is the Six of Swords. This thing will end. Okay, so after every night a day comes. Okay, so there's always a ray of hope in your life. So the things of the things of chaos which were there in life, they are coming towards an end. Things might take some time because we have in the final outcome and in the future we have something like Six of Swords and Seven of Pentacles. Things will take time for you, but things are ending as well. Okay, so this is that time of your life where you need to learn lessons in life. Let me clarify your energies now. Tell me about the Three of Pentacles for my Libras, please. Really sorry for the horns, as I'm making my videos in the daytime today, so you will be able to hear horns today. Okay, and dogs barking as well. Okay, Three of Pentacles is clarified by the Two of Wands. What else we have? And the Hermit energy. Okay, so I feel that there you are entering into something which I was saying, that growth energies, which I was saying. You are, either you are trying to invest your money into something like stock markets, shares, anything, and you are not sure about it. So the universe's messages are that right now, calm down, okay? It's not the perfect time to invest something into share marketing or stocks, investment into something, because things might not turn well, might not turn the way you want them to happen, because there is something in relation with the stagnancy which I'm getting. You might be delayed for whatever things you are getting in life. There are delays coming. So if you enter into anything new right now, delays will be there. The separation, if you are waiting for some kind of separation, some kind of love situation, anything, there are delays which are coming up in your cards today. Okay, so just take some time. Let's see the world energies, why the world is here. Okay, so we have Eight of Swords with the Three of Swords. So there is an ending which is going on in your head. Somewhere you are you're really stuck into something. Either you are stuck in a relationship which actually has ended already, or you're just stuck in that energy, or it's the person with whom you are stuck. This is something in relation with that. Tell me about the Death energy. Because something needs to end, and it's like you are not accepting this ending, or your person is not accepting this ending. See the World energy again. So yeah, it's like a non-acceptance feeling which I am getting. You are not ready to accept the ending. Somewhere you need to let go of the situations you are dealing with. If you are dealing with any person, if you are entering into any partnership, I told you, into anything new, or in a relationship, you are trying to fix a relationship, there is a need to pause in that relationship because of the acceptance situation. Yeah, what I'm getting in this energy right now, things are ending but you're not accepting. Yeah, the Fool energy for my Libras. Why the Fool energy is here? Leaving some situation and entering into new. See how this is going. Your heart is saying leave it and go towards something new. Enter into a new situation in life. Just take risk in life. Do not remain in the same place where you are. Your heart knows really well, Libras, that you should not be in the situation in which you are in, but you are not ready to leave that thing, I feel. The Empress. Why the past energies are of the Empress, please? Six of Cups. There was a reconciliation in the past with somebody. Could be a Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Taurus. Yeah, could be. There was a reconciliation, plus there were... let me check more. Okay, so Seven of Swords. It could be a situation where a person lied to you, or a person deceived you and then came back towards you again. They went away, then they came back again, and because of that there was a reconciliation, but still there are some doubts in the mind because of that thing which already have happened in the past. Like, my person might not do the same thing to me the way he or she has done before. Five of Swords. I saw Five of Swords. I'm sorry, but energies are not coming good in the past. It feels like you were dealing with a person who was a liar, who was a betrayal person, who used to betray you, who betrayed you, and then you came back. Your heart is telling you that it's not the right person for you, but your mind is saying, slow down, trust this person again. There could be something new. It could be a new situation again. Let's just go with the flow, kind of a thing you are thinking in your head. See, Page of Wands. Because of that energy of yours into your head, it's like, I'm passionate about this person, I'm passionate about this situation, I cannot leave this thing because it was my passion, it was my dream, it was a person I always thought I would be with too. But there's always a confusion, there's definitely confusion. Tell me about the Seven of Pentacles in the future. Wheel of Fortune. Okay. There's a sudden change in the events. Ten of Cups. Libras, what is this? Hierophant. Okay, it feels like if you will give rest to the situation, like whatever is happening or whatever has happened, like the lies, the betrayal, the deception, then the confusing energies at present, whether to leave this person or to stay with this person, because you love this person, but whether this person loves you or not the same way you love them, you are really in that confusing position and you are not ready to take any decision yet. So it's the universal message that if you are not able to take any step right now, stop for some time, take a pause for some time. You might see if this sudden change in the events, if it will turn upside down, things will go your way, because somewhere your person feels like you are the one. After that betrayal happened, they feel like you are the one. I betrayed you, but still you were there, you were waiting for me, and I'm really sorry for the deception. It's you who, actually what I'm really getting, it's that it's you who are confused. It's you who is confused and who is in a middle position where you can go either ways. It's like that. Tell me about the Queen of Pentacles for my Libras. Page of Pentacles with the Knight of Swords. Yeah. Your energies are really flickering right now, Libras, because at one time you want stability, you want loyalty, you want everything, but at the same time you want, you are really aggressive with this person. You are like, I cannot keep patience with you now because it's been such a long time, you have wasted my time and all that thing, so I'm not ready to waste more time now. So your energies are really upside down right now. It could be because of the eclipse which is coming up in the December solar eclipse, and which has already gone on 19th November, the lunar eclipse. It could be because of that your energies are flickering. Tell me about the Page of Swords. Page of Swords energies. Sorry. Page of Swords energy. The Empress. See, it looks like before you were the Empress, you were the nurturer and the care and the giver. It's now they want to become the same person for you. They want to care for you. They want to be with you. They want to give all the love to you. Might be they are not showing you that love right now, but they are feeling it from inside. Four of Cups. Yeah, that is why I felt that, the missed opportunity which I told you before. It could be the love offer from your person over here, which is coming towards you with a very stable offer. So this person is coming towards you in a very stable manner now. So whether to accept that offer or to leave that offer, it's upon you, because someone is coming towards you to give you a stable offer this time. Not just temporary, but permanent offer. Six of Swords. Page of Cups. And the Temperance and Ace of Swords. Okay. The final outcome, it seems like what I feel is you will be going towards, because of the non-trusting things, we are not able to trust this person now. Because of that, you are going towards calmer waters. You want peace, you want calmness, you are You might be just meditating. You want balance in life. You are healing from inside, but at the same time this person is coming towards you with a clarification to give you, an offer to give it to you. So whether you are going to take that offer or not, that is up to you, because there is something, the sudden change in the events has already happened or is going to happen in the month, in this month only, in the week. Okay, so yeah, this is a very beautiful thing, basically, whatever this is, but this is very beautiful for you. All right, so that is all for you, my dear Libras. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.